Hello, friends. Welcome to Youth Rising. This is Lindsay Law, certified youth life coach. And today I am shifting to doing a parent video. So, one of the things I love to do as a teen youth life coach is to help parents be able to create an environment in their home that supports a self-love journey for their children. So one of the simplest and most effective ways to help our kids accept and love themselves for who they are is to validate what they're thinking and feeling. The great thing about validation is that we are seeing and hearing our kids, but we don't actually have to agree with them or understand them. We also don't have to condone their actions to accept their thoughts and their feelings. What does this look like? Your teen comes to you and says, I'm really worried about this test tomorrow. This is a non-validating response. Oh, you don't have to be worried. You studied super hard. You're gonna do great. Sounds nice, but not validating. This is you being validating. It's understandable that you're worried. Most people get worried before a really big test. Do you want to talk about it? Your teen comes to you and says, you never listen to me. This is a non-validating response from you. Yes, I do. Remember last week I sat down and chatted with you and you told me all about your troubles with your friend Sarah? I totally listened to you. That may seem very true to you, but not validating to your teen. To respond in a validating way, this is something you could say. I can see how it might look like I'm not listening to you. What could I do differently so that you feel like I am actually listening to you? When we invalidate what our teens are thinking and feeling, we send the message that what they're thinking and feeling isn't okay, which can be interpreted as, I'm not okay. You don't accept me for who I am. And this message can be stored away and internalized as, I'm just not good enough. Don't start beating yourself up as parents if you have been invalidating to your teen. We've all done it. Now you have this opportunity to be aware and to be more validating to your teen. And beating yourself up about past invalidations is not going to help you to be more validating. So you haven't ruined your teen. You haven't wrecked being a parent. Let's move forward. You've totally got this. When we validate our teens by saying, I see and hear what you're thinking and feeling, and it's okay, and then follow up with an open-ended question to spark conversation, we send the message that what they're thinking and feeling is okay, and that they as a person are accepted and okay. And from this place, they are more likely to accept and love themselves for where they are right now. When they feel accepted by us, they are way more likely to accept themselves. Let's go back a little bit to this idea that validating our teens doesn't mean we're condoning their actions. So we can still let our teen know that their thoughts and their feelings are okay without condoning their actions. There can still be consequences. There can still be things that come from those actions. But let's validate either before or during that conversation about consequences. Another misconception is that this is letting them get away with things. This is not true. This is not letting them get away with things. They need to know that what they're thinking and feeling is okay. There's nothing to get away with. This is a really healthy message that you're sending, that your teen is accepted and loved right where they are, and that the consequences are not tied to their worth or value. And when your teen is able to accept their thoughts and emotions as being okay, they are more likely to see their own worth and their own value and see that they are okay as a person. So if this is something you want help with, you want to be better at validating your teen's thoughts and emotions, you want to be better at creating an environment in your home that supports self-love, self-acceptance, self-compassion, then you have to come to my free parent workshop at the end of the month. Details will be in the description below, and you can go to my website and sign up for this free workshop. You're not going to want to miss it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share it with a friend. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you are definitely going to want to do that because I'm going to have lots more tips for parents on how to create a self-love environment for your teens and tons of tips that you can share with your teens on how they can stop beating themselves up so they are feeling miserable. So I've got you. You've got this. We will see you next week and have an amazing day.